Cycle Fam. So today we're just doing the commute. Doing the commute with my two buddies. And let's see just how high speed we can make it today. This is my buddy Jigsaw Austin. And I don't know your name, but I'm gonna call you the guy that almost died with me the other day. That through the mic, but my bike and his bike are exactly the same RPM right now, and it's making a horrible droning sound. That's funny, that's the same Prius that almost hit me earlier. So today, for the first day, hopefully I'll be able to introduce the second camera to the videos. I should give you a little bit of a different perspective. Tomorrow, Bash and Jason and I are going to San Francisco for a little ride out. It's going to be a whole bunch of Grammies. It's Halloween themed, which is amazing. I got my costume. It's a good one. I think y'all will like it. Friday evening traffic. This sucks, especially for the people sitting in it. But this is what's beautiful about California. Actually, there's two things that are beautiful about California today. One is it's like 75 degrees out, which is absolutely beautiful. That is the perfect riding weather. And two, we get to split lanes. Now, contrary to popular belief, this is actually not legal. We're going just a little too fast. Okay. Okay, little wiggly boy. See, he's nice about it. I actually do it. He just pretends. Oh, like these Teslas, they never get out of the way. Literally, I just tap their mirror. Does anybody that watch this ride trails in dirt bikes? This is kind of like riding trails, except the trees jump out in front of you and try to kill you. Alright, well, we're coming up to Fast Boy section. Jigsaw Austin's forks are kind of messed up. We don't think he has any fluid in him, and he gets tank slappers almost daily. But that won't stop a Jigsaw boy. Okay, we're doing extracurricular stuff today. Ah, rocks! Stop throwing them at me! Come on, we can go faster than that. fast zone. I don't know what happened. It's never this bad. Man, 580 is really never this bad. This is crazy. Usually we're zooming, you know, 150 through here. Ah, America! Okay, I touched it. That's all that matters. I didn't touch it where I wanted to touch it, but I did touch it. God, if his bike starts wobbling right now, he's so screwed. God, imagine falling off of that. That would suck. Also, imagine sitting in this traffic. That would suck. Splitting opposing traffic. I love the feeling. It gets a little scary. Ah, he moved. It's so nice of him. Inside of his head. I hope he's listening to music. Got a big boy. Woo! He almost got close hang on that rearview mirror. Everybody with us? Oh, okay. scared the shit out of him. Like this person, you want to play chicken? No. I don't think he was very happy. Oh, okay. Gonna jump it? Not quite fast enough. Do you want me to slide through? Alright. Okay. Dude, what? Did you go down? Oh, your visor's all scratched. Oh, damn, okay. Like, holy shit! Yeah. Yep.
There's sprinkler water out on the road and he was coming on.
Ouch.
Caught that shit sideways and
damn. Well.
He helped you put that shit in your truck.
Yeah. He was like, so how fast are you really going? I'm on 35. He's on. No. Like, actually, I'm on. Yeah, like so.
Yeah.
So I just hit 178 on my BMW last week.
Oh, okay.
It was hella.
Dude, me and him almost splatted into the back of a big rig. So bad. What? Alright. After almost getting hit by that truck, I think we're good sitting in the middle of the road. I don't know what the hell we were thinking. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Tell me what you want to see, because you are the audience and I want to make you happy, because I love you long time. I don't know what that was. That was, let me put some shade in you. Yeah, because I love you long time. So there you go. Peace.